Hello class, this is Professor Raycos. I hope you all are having a great week and are working well through Module 6. Just wanted to provide you with some reminders and some support for the week. Always trying to find ways to help you to make your assignments easier and less stressful. But one of the things I wanted to bring to your attention, remind you, is that this week's discussion has two questions that you're responding to in your initial post. The first question asks, what strategies from your textbook reading will you use to retain information so that you can actively apply it both in the present and the future? So what strategies from this week's reading can you use that are going to help you to remember the information? And these are strategies that you can use presently or strategies you can use maybe in future classes. And then the second question asks, will you implement different strategies based on the type of material you're reading? So if you are reading a magazine versus a journal article versus a book, would you follow the same strategies for each type of material? Why or why not? That is what the question is asking. I look forward to reading everybody's responses, and I've enjoyed reading those that have come through. Please let me know if you have any questions for this week's discussion. Please note that you do need to complete your reading before you can post your initial discussion response, which is due Thursday at midnight. The second piece I want to bring to your attention is the revision of your mission and beginning the work on Project 2. So this week's assignment asks you to start looking at the project and also work on revising it. So I have provided you with links for the document. I know some students have had some difficulties trying to find it, but I wanted to bring you to the plan. And the first part asks you to look at time management. And so you are going to use a sample time schedule, or you can create your own and come up with your own plan. So it says, what are common non-school related commitments? So, sleeping, eating, those types of things. And what's the dedicated time of study that you are going to be using? And they suggest that you should be spending 14 to 15 hours a week. So you're going to fill out this plan for a week of what that would look like for you. So that's the first section. The second part of the assignment is the mission statement, which we worked on last week with your goals. So you are going to begin revising that this week. And so that's what this assignment asks you to do. If you want to move forward to the last piece, which is part 3, it asks you to look at social, motivational, and academic support strategies. This section requires you to come up with those strategies and resources you can use to help you reach your goals. Okay, and that is your academic success plan. And the template is there for you to work off of. It's much easier if you use it. Again, we're just working on a draft and revising our mission statement. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, have a great week.